Hello everyone, I'm Mahdi. This is another video on the solution of Rubik Cube. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very fast solution to the 3x3 Rubik Cube. I'm sure you'll like it. Let's go through the instruction. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe in my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, let's go through the instruction. As I told you, this instruction is very fast. No algorithm is used in this instruction. All the movements for solving this Rubik are fully explained with no complication. Before starting the solution, let me give you a definition about this 3x3 Rubik Cube. The first thing that you should know is about the colors. As you can see, this Rubik is made of 6 colors: white, red, yellow, orange, green, and blue. Something important about the colors: yellow and white are opposite each other, green and blue are opposite each other, and orange and red are opposite each other. The second point that you should know is about the small pieces that made a Rubik. Okay, we have 3 pieces. We have 3 kinds of pieces on this Rubik Cube. The first pieces, they have 3 colors. We call them corner pieces. Like this piece, it has 3 colors: white, orange, and blue. We have 8 corner pieces on a Rubik Cube, 4 on the top part of the Rubik and 4 on the down part of the Rubik. Okay, another piece on the Rubik Cube, we call it edge piece. Edge pieces, they have 2 colors. Like this piece, it has green and orange. On the top part of the Rubik, we have 4 edge pieces. On the middle part of the Rubik, we have 4 edge pieces. And on the down part of the Rubik, we have 4 edge pieces. And so we have 12 edge pieces on a Rubik Cube. And we also have another piece on the Rubik that we call it a center piece. For example, this is a center piece. It has only 1 color. Is that the center pieces on a Rubik Cube don't move. All the pieces on a Rubik move to different parts, as you can see, but the center piece doesn't move. Okay, this is a blue center piece. Here we have a white center piece. Here we have a green center piece. We have 6 center pieces on a Rubik Cube. On a solved Rubik Cube, we know that this part of the Rubik is orange, but on a Rubik that is not solved, this is the center piece that shows what color should come to this part of the Rubik. This is orange, so all the pieces on this part of the Rubik should be in orange color. Okay, this part of the Rubik, we have yellow center piece, so all the colors on this part of the Rubik should be in yellow color. So this is the center piece on a Rubik Cube that shows us which color should be on that part of the Rubik. Okay, let's go through the instruction. For solving the Rubik, we should hold the Rubik like this, so the yellow center is facing up. When we hold the Rubik like this part of the Rubik is called the right part of the Rubik, and this part is called the left part. This is the front part of the Rubik, okay? And this is the top or up part of the Rubik, and this is the down part of the Rubik. And this part of the Rubik is called the back part of the Rubik. And something else, when the yellow color is facing up, this part is called the first layer or the bottom layer of the Rubik. This part is called the second layer or the middle layer of the Rubik. And this part is called the top layer of the Rubik. We solve the Rubik in this video layer by layer. First, we solve the bottom layer, then we solve the middle layer, And finally, we solve the top layer. Okay, we want to start solving the Rubik from the bottom layer. But before starting from the bottom layer, we should do something on the top part of the Rubik. On the top part, you can see the yellow center. And around the yellow center, you can see 4 edge pieces. As I told you, edge pieces, they have 2 colors. We should place 4 edge pieces around this yellow center with white color. Like this edge piece, it has white color. But this edge piece, it is green, this one is yellow, and this one is orange. We should find 4 edge pieces with white color and put them around this yellow center, like this one. To find the edge pieces with white color, you should look in the front part of the Rubik and look for the edge pieces with white colors. Okay, the edge pieces are on the bottom layer, on the middle layer, and on the top layer. On the bottom layer, here we'll look for the edge pieces with white colors. On the middle layer, we'll look for it here and here, and on the top layer, we'll look for it here. Okay, so we turn the Rubik to look for edge pieces with white colors. When you turn the Rubik to look for a piece, a special piece, the turning of the Rubik should be like this. Okay, so the yellow center is up. You should turn your Rubik like this or like this. Okay, and look for edge pieces with white colors on them. Okay, on this part of the Rubik, on the middle layer here, we have an edge piece with white color. If the edge piece with white color is on the middle layer, like here or here, this is very easy. It's on the right side of the Rubik, so we turn the right side of the Rubik up, and the edge piece with white color is here next to the yellow center. So again, we turn the Rubik here on this part of the Rubik. Again, on the middle layer, we have another edge piece, so we turn it up, and again we turn the Rubik. Here we can't see any edge pieces with white colors. Again, we turn the Rubik. Here on this part of the Rubik, we have an edge piece with white color on it. Okay, if the white color is facing up, that's okay. But if the white color is facing you, you should change the position of this edge piece so the white color is facing up. How should we do it? If you have a situation like this, okay, you should turn the front side of the Rubik to the right or to the left, okay, like this. So now the edge piece is here. After that, you should turn the top side of the Rubik like this. So we have an edge piece with no white color here. After that, we turn this side of the Rubik up like this. And now you can see the edge piece with white color, white and green color, is in its right position. So the white color is facing up. Okay, now we have a yellow center with 4 edge pieces with white colors on them. Okay, at this stage, if the corner pieces are also in white color, that doesn't make any problem, okay. Sometimes the edge piece with white color is on the first layer, like this, okay. In this situation, first you should turn the front side of the Rubik to the left or to the right. So you change the position of that edge piece from the first layer to the second layer here. When it comes to the second layer, okay, then the right side of the Rubik or the left side of the Rubik, you have an edge piece with white color. So that part of the Rubik should be turned up. Okay, now we should turn the right side of the Rubik up. And now we have the edge piece with white color here. Okay, again, we turn the Rubik. Now we have an edge piece on the middle layer. And so we should turn it up to the top layer. If I want to do it, as you can see, we have a solve piece on the top layer. And if I turn this part of the Rubik, this piece will be out of its place. So first we should turn the top part of the Rubik. So an unsolved piece is on the right side of the Rubik. Then we turn the right side up, like this. And sometimes you have a situation like this. You need an edge piece with white color on the top layer, but if you look in the front side of the Rubik, you can't see any edge pieces with white colors. In this situation, you should look for the edge piece in the bottom layer, in the bottom part of the Rubik. So here you have the white color on the bottom layer. When the edge piece with white color is on the bottom layer, you should turn the top part of the Rubik to the side that you have an edge piece with white color on the bottom layer, like this. Okay, and then you turn that part of the Rubik to the top. Here is the left part of the Rubik. We have an edge piece with white color, so we turn that part to the top. And now we have the shape we need, okay? Okay, the next thing that you should do is to match the color of these edge pieces to the color of the center pieces in front. Okay, this is an edge piece with white and blue color. Now we should match the blue color on the edge piece with the blue center. How to do it? We should hold the Rubik like this, and the first two layers should be turned like this. Okay, this is orange center, this is orange center, and this is blue center. Now the color on the edge piece with the color of the center piece are matched. When this is done, we should move the edge piece with blue and white color from the top to the down part of the Rubik. And so I turn the front part of the Rubik. Now the edge piece with white color is on the bottom layer. As you can see, the white color fits the white center and the blue color fits the blue center. Okay, now I turn the Rubik again. This is the edge piece with white and orange color. I should match the orange color with the orange center. So I turn the first two layers together. Now this is the orange center. After that, we should move the edge piece from the top to the down part of the Rubik. So we turn the front part of the Rubik. Now the white color is fitting the white center and the orange color is fitting the orange center. Okay, again, I turn the Rubik. This is another edge piece with white and green color. So we turn the first two parts. This is the green center. After that, we turn the front part of the Rubik like this. And again, I turn the Rubik. This is white and red edge piece. We turn the first two layers. So this is the red center. After that, I turn the front part of the Rubik. When you do it, in the bottom layer, now you have a white cross. At this part of the solution, if you can see cornered pieces with white colors here, that doesn't make any problem. The next thing that we should do is to look for corner pieces with white colors on them, to put them on the bottom layer to complete the color, to complete the white color on the bottom layer. In order to find the corner pieces with white colors, we should look for them on the top part of the Rubik. So this corner piece, it doesn't have any white color. Again, I turn the Rubik. Okay, this corner piece, it has white color. This corner piece, it doesn't have any white color. And this corner piece, it has white color on it. Okay, if the white color on the corner piece is facing you, you should do one thing, but if the white color on the corner piece is facing up, you should do another thing. Let me tell you what should we do when the white color on the corner piece is facing you. The first thing you should do is to find the right place for this corner piece on the bottom layer. Which of these four places are the right place for this corner piece? To find the right place for this corner piece, we should look at the colors on this corner piece. It has orange and green colors. So now this corner piece is between green and red center pieces. So we should turn the first two layers so this corner piece is between orange and green centers. When this is done, after that we can find the right place for this corner piece on the bottom layer. Here on the bottom layer, this is the right place for this corner piece. So when we find the right place for the corner piece, after that we should hold the Rubik like this. So the yellow center is facing up and the white color on the corner piece is facing you. Now the corner piece is at my left hand. So the first thing I should do is to turn the top part of the Rubik like this. So the corner piece moves to the right part of the Rubik. After that, I should turn the left side of the Rubik up. Okay, the next thing I should do is to move back the corner piece to the left side of the Rubik like this. And finally, I should turn down the left side of the Rubik like this. Okay, so the corner piece is in its right place like this. I turn the Rubik and look for corner pieces with white colors on them. Okay, this is a corner piece with white color on it. So the first thing we should do is to find the right place for this corner piece on the bottom layer. In order to do it, we should look at the colors on that corner piece. It has green and red color. So we should place it between green and red center pieces like this. We should turn the first two layers. Now the corner piece is between green and red center pieces. So the right place is here on the bottom layer. So the white color is facing you. Okay, the corner piece is at my left hand. Now I should turn the top part of the Rubik so the corner piece moves to the right side of the Rubik like this. Okay, then the second thing I should do is to turn the left side of the Rubik up. This is like a door. I should open the door. Okay, after that the corner piece moves back to its place on the left side of the Rubik, and we turn the left side of the Rubik down. Okay, this is like a door. I close the door. One time I open the door and one time I close the door. Okay, now the corner piece on its right place. And we turn the Rubik looking for corner pieces with white colors on them. This is a corner piece with white color. Okay, it has red and blue colors, so it should be between red and blue centers. So we turn the first two layers. Okay, now it's between red and blue centers. So this time the corner piece is at my right hand. Okay, the first thing I should do is to move it to the left side of the Rubik. Okay, if the corner piece is on the right side of the Rubik, I move it to the left. And if the corner piece is on the left side of the Rubik, I move it to the right. Now it's on the right side of the Rubik, so the first thing I should do is to move it to the left side of the Rubik. Now this is like a door. Okay, the right side of the Rubik, I should open the door or turn the right side up. Okay, after that the corner piece, I move it back to its place. that is on the right side, and now the right door should be closed. Okay, one time I open it and one time I close it. Now the corner piece on its right place. Okay, I turn the Rubik looking for corner pieces with white colors on them. As you can see, there are no corner pieces with white colors on them. Okay, if you cannot find any corner pieces with white colors, you should look for corner pieces with white colors on the bottom layer, like this corner piece. Okay, this is on the bottom layer, but this is not solved correctly. If you see a corner piece on the bottom layer like this, the first thing that you should do is to move it from the bottom layer to the top layer. How should we do it? Okay, if the corner piece is on the left hand, okay, I should turn the left hand, I should turn the left side up. But if the corner piece is like this, on the right side of the Rubik, I should turn the right side up, like this. Okay, so we hold the Rubik like this. The yellow center is facing up, and the corner pieces is on the right side of the Rubik. So I turn the right side up, so the corner piece is here. Then I turn the top part like this and move the corner piece to the back part of the Rubik here. And after that, the right side, I turn it down like this. Why should I turn it down? Because we have white colors solved and we should make it correct again like this, okay? Now the corner piece with white color is on the top layer, but the white color is facing up. The first thing I should do is to change the position of this corner piece so the white color is facing me. Okay, how should I do it? This corner piece is on the right side of the Rubik, so I turn the right side up. The corner piece is here. Now I turn the top part of the Rubik and move the corner piece to the back part of the Rubik like this. And after that, I turn down the right side of the Rubik. Now I turn the Rubik, and as you can see, the corner piece with white color is here, and the white color on the Rubik is facing me. Now I should move the corner piece from the top layer to the bottom layer. Okay, it has blue and orange colors, so it should be placed between blue and orange centers. Now the right place is here. The corner piece is at my left hand, so I move it to the right. Now this is like a door, the left side of the Rubik. It is called the left door. I open the door and I turn and I move back the corner piece to its right place here on the left side. And now I close the door like this. As you can see, the white color on the bottom layer is solved. Something important about the corner pieces that you should know, when the white color on the corner piece is facing up, as I told you, the first thing that I should do is to change the position of this corner piece so the white color is facing me. Here, something important that you shouldn't forget is that when you want to change the position of this corner piece, first you should place this corner piece where on the bottom layer the corner piece is not solved, like this, okay? Here, like this, you shouldn't do it because the corner piece on the bottom layer is solved, okay? So the first thing is to place the corner piece where on the bottom layer the corner piece is not solved, okay? And after that, I turn the right side of the Rubik up, and again I turn the top part. The corner piece is here, and after that I turn down the right side of the Rubik, and I turn the Rubik so the white color is facing me, orange and green, between orange and green center pieces. Now the right place is here. It's at my left hand. I move it to the right. This is like a door. I open the door. and I move it back to its right place on the left side, and I close the door like this. Okay, the bottom layer is finished. Now I want to solve the second layer, or the middle layer. As you can see in middle layer, we just need to put edge pieces on their right places to solve the middle layer. For example, this is an edge piece with red and green colors, but this edge piece is between blue and orange centers. So this edge piece should be in blue and orange colors. Here should be blue and here should be orange. This part of the Rubik, we have red and blue centers, so this corner piece should be also red and blue, but the red color should be on this part of the Rubik, and the blue color should be on this part of the Rubik. Okay, here you can see green and red center pieces, so this edge piece should be in green and red colors. And this part of the Rubik, you can see orange and green centers, so this edge piece should also be in orange and green colors. So to find the right edge pieces and place them on the middle layer, I should look for them on the top layer of the Rubik. Something very important about the middle layer is that on the middle layer, we don't need yellow colors. On the middle layer, we don't need yellow color. So on the top part of the Rubik, we'll look for edge pieces that don't have yellow color. So this edge piece, it has yellow color. This also has yellow color, and this edge piece has also yellow color. And this part of the Rubik, you can see an edge piece with no yellow color. It has orange and green colors. So this is a right edge piece for the middle layer. The first thing I should do is to match the orange color with the orange center. To do it, I turn the first two layers together. Okay, now the orange center is fitting the orange color on the edge piece. The second thing I should do is to find the right place for this edge piece on the middle layer. On the left side of the Rubik, you can see orange and green centers, and on the right side of the Rubik, you can see blue and orange centers. So the right place for this edge piece is here on the left side of the Rubik. The first thing we should do is to turn the top layer so this edge piece moves to the right side of the Rubik. Okay, this is a rule. If the edge piece should be placed on the left side of the Rubik, the first thing I should do is to move it to the right, like this. Okay, the next thing I should do is to turn the left side up, and after that I should move back the edge piece to its right place here, and finally I should turn down the left side of the Rubik like this. So what happens if you turn the Rubik? You can see a corner piece with white color is out of its right place on the bottom layer like this. Okay, so now we should place this corner piece from the top layer to the bottom layer. Can you remember the rules for placing the corner pieces with white colors? We should do the rules for placing the corner pieces. So to place this corner piece to the bottom layer, we should hold the Rubik like this. The yellow center is facing up, and the white color on the corner piece is facing you. So this corner piece, it has orange and green colors. It is between orange and green centers. So this corner piece is at my right hand. The first thing, I should move it to the left. After that, this is the right side of the Rubik. I should turn it up or open the door, open the right door. The next thing I should do is to move back the corner piece to its right place here, And finally, I should close the door or turn the right side of the Rubik down like this. If you do it, as you can see, the corner piece with white color is on its right place, and also the edge piece with orange and green color is on its right place in the middle layer, as you can see. Okay. Now I turn the Rubik and look for corner pieces on the top layer. Here the edge piece, it has yellow color, so I don't need it. Here this edge piece, it has red and green colors, so this is a right edge piece for middle layer. So this edge piece, it has green and red colors, so the red color is facing me, so I should match it to the red center. I turn the first two layers. Now the red center is matching the red color on the edge piece. So is it the left side of the Rubik or the right side of the Rubik a right place for this edge piece? We should look at the center pieces on both sides. Okay, it has red and green colors. So on the left side of the Rubik, red and blue centers, and on the right side of the Rubik, green and red center pieces. So the right side of the Rubik is the right place for this edge piece. The first thing I should do is to move this edge piece to the left side of the Rubik. If you want to place the edge piece on the right side of the Rubik, the first thing you should do is to move this edge piece to the left side. And if you want to place this edge piece on the left side of the Rubik, the first thing you should do is to move this edge piece to the right side. Okay, now, so the right place for this edge piece on the right side of the Rubik, the first thing I should do is to move it to the left side. After that, the right side up, and then I move back the edge piece to its right place here. And finally, I turn the right side down. Okay. Now, what happens if you look at the Rubik? The corner piece with white color is again out of its right place. And now I should place this corner piece from the top layer to the bottom layer here. So the white color is facing me. It's at my left hand. So I turn it to the right. After that, I turn the left side up. Then I move the corner piece back to its right place on the left side. And finally, I turn the left side down like this. Okay. So the corner piece is on its right place on the bottom layer. And also the edge piece with green and red color is also on the middle layer on its right place like this. Okay, another edge piece with blue and orange color. The orange color is facing the orange center. Now I should find the right place for this edge piece on the middle layer. Okay, it has blue and orange color. On the right side of the Rubik, blue and orange colors. So the right place for this edge piece is here on the right side of the Rubik. The first thing I should do, as I told you, I turn it to the left. After that, I turn the right side up. Then I turn the edge piece to its right place. And finally, I turn the right side down. Okay, now the corner piece with white color is out of its place. I should place it on the bottom layer. White color is facing me. And this corner piece is between blue and orange centers. Okay? Because it has blue and orange colors. It's at my left hand. I move it to the right. The left side is up. After that, I move it back to the left. And finally, I turn the left side down. Okay. I turn the Rubik and look for edge pieces with no yellow colors. It has yellow color. This edge also has yellow color. And this edge piece has yellow color, and also this edge piece, it has yellow color. So I look at the middle layer. All the edge pieces are solved, okay? But just this edge piece is not solved, okay? This edge piece, it has blue and red color, but the blue color is facing the red center and the red color is facing the blue center. If you see a situation like this, the first thing you should do is to move this edge piece from the middle layer to the top layer and then solve it. And then place it correctly in the middle layer. To move it to the top layer, you should hold the Rubik like this. The yellow center is facing up. Now the edge piece is facing the right side of the Rubik, so I turn the right side up. The edge piece is here. After that, I turn the top part of the Rubik and move the edge piece to the back part of the Rubik. And finally, the right side of the Rubik, I turn it down. So now what happens? The corner piece with white color is out of its right place again. I should first place this corner piece to its right place. White color is facing me. It's on the left side of the Rubik. I move it to the right. The left side of the Rubik is up. I move it back to its right place, and left side is down. So now on the top part of the Rubik, I look for the edge piece. This is the edge piece with blue and red color. As you can see, the blue color is facing me. I should match it to the blue center. I turn the first two layers. Now it is matched. Now I should place it in the middle layer. The right place for this edge piece is on the right side of the Rubik because as you can see, this is red center and this is blue center. Okay, I turn the top part and move this edge piece to the left side of the Rubik. Okay, the right side is up. Then I turn it back to its right place here. And finally, I turn the right side down. So the corner piece with white color here, the white color is facing you. It's at the left side of the Rubik. I move it to the right, the left side up. I move it back and the left side down. Now the second layer, as you can see, is solved. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to complete the yellow color on the top layer. But I advise you to practice to this part of the video, and when you learn to this part of the video, then come to the new parts and learn the rest of the solution. Okay, up to this part of the video, the first and the second layer on the Rubik is solved. Here on this part of the video, I'm gonna to complete the yellow color on the top layer. But this is done in two stages. In stage one, I'm gonna to make a yellow cross on the top layer. How to make a yellow cross? I should place 4 edge pieces around this yellow center. And in stage 2, I should place corner pieces with yellow colors around the Rubik to complete the yellow color. So to make a yellow cross on the top layer, I need 6 movements. So I should hold the Rubik like this. The yellow center is facing up. Okay, the first move is turn the front side to the right. Okay, then the right side to the right, and after that the top side to the right. So these 3 movements, I turn them to the right. I need 3 other movements. The right side, I turn it to the left. The top side, I turn it to the left. And the front side, I turn it to the left. Okay? As you can see, the first 3 movements, I turn them to the right, and the second 3 movements, I turn them to the left. Okay, again, I do the set of movements. The front side to the right. Okay, the right side to the right, and the top side to the right. Okay, and now I start from the right side to the left, the top side to the left, and the front side to the left. Okay, so the first three movements to the right, and after that the second three movements to the left. Again, I do the movements. So the front side to the right side to the right, and the top side to the right. Okay, something important, something very important, the blue center is facing me. Up to the end of the movements, the blue center is facing me. Okay, I don't change the position of the Rubik. Now I start from the right side to the left, the top side to the left, and the front side to the left. Okay, so when I do these movements, these 6 movements, after that I can see a yellow cross on the top layer. Okay, at this part of the solution, if you can see corner pieces also in yellow colors, that doesn't make any problem. Something that is important is the colors on the cross part of the top layer. Okay, after you finish the first and the second layer, if you look at the top layer, you can sometimes you see the cross shape, okay, the yellow cross, but sometimes you see another shape, okay, like this. A shape like this. The first and the second layer are solved, and now I want to complete the yellow color. Only the yellow center in the yellow cross is in yellow color. Okay, if you do the set of movements, this is the corner piece, and I shouldn't care about the corner pieces, just the colors on the cross part. When you see a shape like this, okay, only the yellow center, this is called a dot. Okay, you should hold the Rubik like this so the yellow center is facing up, and I do the set of movements. The front side to the right, the right side to the right, and the top side to the right. And now the right side to the left, the top side to the left, and the front side to the left. Okay, after the shape of dot, you see a shape like this, okay, on the cross part of the Rubik. You see a shape like an L, okay. When you see the L shape, you should hold the Rubik like this, so the L is facing your left hand. And I do the set of movements again. The yellow color is facing up, and I do the movements. You shouldn't hold the Rubik like this. The L should be facing my left hand. Okay, the front side to the right side to the right, and the top side to the right. And now the right side to the left, the top side to the left, and the front side to the left. Okay, when I do the set of movements again, now in the cross part, I have a shape like this. Okay, this is called a line. When you see the line, don't care about the corner pieces, okay? Just the shapes inside the cross, okay? When you see the line shape, you should hold the Rubik like this, so you have a horizontal line. Don't hold the Rubik like this. You should hold the Rubik like this. And I do the set of movements again. The front side to the right side to the right, and the top side to the right. The right side to the left, the top side to the left, and the front side to the left. Okay, now you can see a yellow cross on the top side of the Rubik. And I shouldn't care about the corner pieces, just the yellow cross. Now I should place the yellow colors here and complete the yellow color. Okay, in making the cross, the first shape you may see is called dot, then you see L, after that you see the line, and finally you see the cross shape. After making the yellow cross on the top layer, you may see different shapes on the top layer. One of these shapes is a shape like this, okay? A yellow cross and two yellow corner pieces. But the most important shape is a shape like this, okay? A yellow cross with one of the corner pieces in yellow color. I don't have yellow color here, here, and here. This is called a fish, okay? This is like a fish, okay? If you imagine this is the head of the fish and these are the tail of the fish, okay? When you see the fish shape on the top layer, you should hold the Rubik like this. So the head of the fish is facing your left hand and is facing down, and the tail is facing your right hand like this. And now I need a set of movements to complete the yellow color on the top layer. Okay, I need now 8 moves to complete the yellow color on the top part of the Rubik. The first move is for the right side of the Rubik. I turn it to the right, and after that I turn the top part of the Rubik to the right, and now I turn the right side of the Rubik down or to the left. So as you can see now, you have two pieces with the same colors in front of you. This is an edge piece and this is a corner piece, okay? The color on these two pieces are green and red, okay? The right place for these pieces are here and here, okay? I do it again. Okay, the right side up, the top side to the right, and the right side down. Okay, in these movements, these two pieces with the same color make a journey on the top part of the Rubik, and from this part of the Rubik, they move to their right place here. So the next movement is for the top part of the Rubik. I turn it to the right. These two pieces are here. Now the right side of the Rubik, I turn it up. The top side of the Rubik, I turn it once. The two pieces are here. And I turn it again. This time these two colors are here. And finally the right side of the Rubik is turned down like this. So after I did these movements, on the top layer, again, I see the fish shape. As I told you, the Rubik should be held like this. The head of the fish is facing your left hand and is facing down. I do the set of movements again. The right side up, the top side to the right, and the right side down. Okay, this is movement number 3. When you do the movement number 3, you have two pieces with the same colors. This is blue and this is orange. Okay, one of them is edge piece and one of them is corner piece. These two pieces make a journey on the top part of the Rubik, and from this part they move down to their right place here. Okay, let me do it again. The right side up, the top side to the right, the right side down. Again, the top side to the right. The two pieces are here. The right side up, the top side to the right. Again, I turn the top side, and the two pieces are here. And now I turn down the right side. Okay, the two pieces are here on their right place, and the yellow color on the top layer is solved. Sometimes you see a shape like this. Okay, you see a shape like this. This is a cross shape. Okay, this is not a fish shape. When you see shapes that are not like a fish shape, you should look at the front side of the Rubik and turn the Rubik so you can see a yellow color here on the left side of the Rubik and on the top part like this, not like this place. I turn the Rubik again. Here I can see a yellow color. So now I do the set of movements. The right side up, the top part to the right side down. Now I can see two pieces with same colors, orange and green. I turn the top side to the right, two pieces are here. And now I turn the right side up. I turn the top side to the right, two pieces are here. Again, I turn the top side. And finally, I turn down the right side. Okay, now another shape that is not a fish shape. As I told you, if you don't see the fish shape, you should look at the front side of the Rubik, and when you see a yellow color on the top part and on the left side of the Rubik, I should do the set of movements. The yellow color on the right side of the Rubik is not important. Okay, the right side up, top side to the right, right side down. Two pieces with same color. The top side to the right side up. Turn the top side twice. Okay, now the two colors are here and the right side down. Now you can see the fish shape. Something important about the fish shape is that when you see the fish shape, if you look at the right side of the Rubik, if you see a yellow color on the right side of the Rubik, it means that you should do the set of movements twice to complete the yellow color. But if you see the yellow color here in front, it means that you should do the set of movements once to complete the yellow color. So now I do the set of movements. Right side up, top side to the right side down. I turn the top side. Now the right side up. Again the top side twice and the right side down. The fish shape, I turn the Rubik so the head of the fish is facing my left hand. Now the yellow color is in the front part. I do the movements. And as you can see, the yellow color is finished. After completing the yellow color, sometimes you see a situation like this, okay? Two corner pieces with one color. Here blue, here orange, here green, and here red. If you see a situation like this, you should turn the top layer once, okay, or twice, so the corner pieces are all on their right place, okay? But sometimes after completing the yellow color, you have a situation like this. Something like this, okay? You have the yellow color on the top, but on the corner pieces, you can't see corner pieces with the same color like this. Here, red and orange, here, blue and green, here, orange and red, and here, green and blue. And sometimes you have a situation like this. Something like this. After completing the yellow color, you can see two corner pieces with the same color. Okay, these two corner pieces, they have red colors on them. And here and here and here, you don't see matching colors. Just this part of the Rubik, you can see two corner pieces with the same color. If the edge piece is also in red color, that doesn't make any problem. Just the corner pieces are important. If you have a situation like this, you should hold the Rubik like this. So these two colors are on your left hand. And now I want to do a set of movements to place the corner pieces on their right places. The first move is to turn the left side up, and then I turn the top side to the right. After that, the right side up, and I turn the top side to the left. the left side down, the top side to the right, and the right side down. When I do it, I see the fish shape. And now I should do the movements for fish shape. As you remember, the right side up, the top to the right down. I have two pieces with the same colors. As you remember, they have a journey on the top layer and move down from here. The top layer to the right side up. And now the top layer, I turn it. Again, I turn it. And finally, I turn the right side down. Okay? When you do it, you see a shape like this. Okay? All corner pieces, they have the same colors. Here red, here green, here orange, and here blue. In this situation, you just turn the top layer so all the corner pieces are on their right place, like this. Another situation is like this. The yellow color is completed, and if you look at the front side, you cannot find any matching colors on the corner pieces. Here is green, here is blue, here is orange, here is red, here is green, here is blue, and here is red, and here is orange. In this situation, you should hold the Rubik so just the yellow color is facing up. Okay? And now you do the movements. As I told you, the left side, I turn it up, the top layer to the right. Then the right side up, and the top layer to the left. After that, the left side, I turn it down, and on the right side, I have white color here, so I turn the top layer and complete the white color. After that, I turn the right side down. Like this. When you do these movements, you see the fish shape, and you remember the fish shape movements. The right side up, top layer to the right side down, turn the top layer, and the right side up, turn the top layer twice, and turn the right side down. When you do these set of movements, if you turn your Rubik, you can see two matching colors on the corner pieces. You should hold the Rubik like this so they are facing your left hand, and you do the set of movements again. The left side up, the top layer to the right. The right side up, the top layer to the left. The left side down, and after that you see a white color here. So you turn the top layer to the right and complete the white color, and the right side down. After that, you see the fish shape. So I do the movements for fish shape. Right side up, top layer to the right side down, and right side down. Okay. Now all the corner pieces are on their right place. Okay, this is green and this is red centers, so the corner piece has also green and red colors, so this is the right place for this corner piece. All the corner pieces are on their right places. Now I just need to place the edge pieces to their right places and finish the Rubik. Sometimes one of the edge pieces is solved, and sometimes you see a situation like this. Okay. If you look at your Rubik, no edge piece is solved. Okay. All four edge pieces on the top layer are out of their places and are not solved. So now I do a set of movements to place the edge pieces to their right places. If no edge piece on the top layer is solved, so I hold the Rubik like this, the yellow color is facing up, and I do the movements. The first move is to turn the front side 100 degrees, so the white color is facing up. After that, I turn the top layer, so the white color is facing my left hand. Here you should do something important. You should hold the Rubik like this. The left part of the Rubik, you hold it with your left hand, and the right side of the Rubik, you hold it with your right hand. Now you should, with your thumb, you should turn the middle part of the Rubik like this. So the yellow color is on the back here, okay? And now I turn the top part of the Rubik, so the white color is on my right side. After that, I hold the left and right side of the Rubik, and with my forefinger, I turn the middle layer, so the yellow color is again back on the top layer. After that, I turn the top layer, so the white color is facing to the front part of the Rubik. Now I turn the front side 100 degrees, so the white color is facing down. If you do it once, okay, one edge piece is solved. When an edge piece on the top layer is solved, you should hold the Rubik so this solved piece is at the back side of the Rubik here. And again, I do the movements. We need to repeat the movements, so these three edge pieces are on their right places. So don't forget, the solved piece should be at the back side of the Rubik. I turn the front side, so the white color is up. I turn the top part, the white color is on my left hand here. Now I should do something like this. After that, I should turn the top layer, so the white color is facing my right hand. The next thing, I should turn the yellow color back to the top layer, and then I turn the top layer, the white color is facing the front part. And finally, I turn the front side, so the white color is facing down. So I need to do the movements again. So the solved part of the Rubik is held like this at the back part of the Rubik. I do the movements again. And now you can see the Rubik is solved. You need to do these movements several times to put the edge pieces on their right places. Thank you for watching this instruction to the end.